Hi guys, we're doing a Mentos and Coke versus Diet Coke versus Sprite challenge, and this is going to be awesome. We're doing Sprite now with the big Mentos in the big bottles. This very one's going to be in the video.
Why are you wearing sunglasses and a rain jacket for this one?
So they don't get in my eyes or my body.
So
on my shirt.
We're being safe, right?
Yeah. Now we're going to do the video.
3, 2, 1, go!
The cat is floating away. This got a bigger explosion than last time, right, Dad?
It did.
Now we're going to try this fight with 3 Mentos now. Can I drink? Ready.
Set. Go. How high did that one go?
Really high. Coke challenge. We also tested Sprite and Diet Coke and Coca-Cola. Did you see how high that Diet Coke went?
Which one went the highest?
Diet Coke.
So,
And Sprite went higher than the Coca-Cola.
you think Sprite went higher than the Coca-Cola?
Uh-huh.
So tell everybody at home that this was a,
Guys, wear your rain jacket when you do this challenge and bring some sunglasses. Bye. Thank you for watching. Always stay happy and rise up. Bye.